Hey, did you see that heat wave? We're up to 1.
Yeah, from 0 to 1. Celebrate, everybody.
Yeah.
Feels good.
Yeah, temperatures once again crazy cold tonight. In fact, if you were out and about like that wonderful volunteer tying the ribbons in the trees, if you were at the ski resort, you were braver than most of us. It was so cold. Most of the day spent sub-zero or single digits, but hey, if you wanted to get up there and enjoy it, there was good powder. It was just a cold, cold day. So how low did the temperatures go? Peter Sink, which is up between Logan Bear Lake, 53 degrees below zero this morning. The all-time record in Utah was 69 degrees below zero, and it was at Peter Sink. Randolph, 39 below. Montpelier started the day 29 below. Roosevelt, it was 26 below. Kimball Junction, 23. Eden, 22. Even Cedar City broke a record today at 14 degrees below zero. Salt Lake City hit 5 below zero today. It ties for the coldest day in 21 years. You've got to go back to February of 1996 when it was 12 below to get any colder. So if you thought, hey, it's been a long time, it has been a long time since Salt Lake City has been this cold. 16 below right now in Logan. It is 1 in Salt Lake, 0 in Provo. We're 8 below Delta, St. George in the 20s, and Mesquite's at 35, and Ely's at 1, and Elko 1 below. Satellite and radar showing we've had a mostly clear day, but we're starting to see some clouds move in advance of our next storm. And this storm is unique. It is tapped into a moisture stream that goes all the way back out into the Pacific. It's an atmospheric river is what it's called because there's just so much moisture, and it's coming in unobstructed to the west coast. It's going to cream California, and it's going to get to Utah. As early as Saturday night, the cold air is still here. We'll see some snow in the northern mountains. And then by Sunday morning, the main wave moves through. It starts it changes over to valley rain and mountain snow, and it stays there. Even going up into some of our mountains, we'll see rain. It rains on Sunday. It rains on Monday. A bit of a break on Tuesday, and then it rains again on Wednesday. The problem with all of this, bitter cold temperatures tonight, 0 to 25 below across Utah. But this mild Pacific storm that comes in will bring valley rain and mountain snow. All of that snow, we're talking 1 to 3 feet in the northern mountains, common. The valley rain on top of the snow causes all sorts of problems, including what's called sheet flooding. The ground is frost, it's frozen. So the water runs over the ice and causes all sorts of problems. And that is most definitely a possibility Sunday through Monday and even into early next week. We've had histories in this state of crazy flooding because of that. 14 below in Vernal tonight, 19 below Roosevelt, single-digit lows all throughout southern Utah, 10 below Cedar City, 12 below Beaver, St. George. You're stuck in the 20s with highs tomorrow in the 50s. Cloudy skies throughout your Saturday. The storm will get to St. George late Sunday into Monday, and it will be rain in the valleys and some surrounding mountain snow. Temperatures climb to the 50s, upper 50s by Wednesday. Northern forecast overnight, 5 below in Salt Lake City again, 4 below in Ogden, highs only in the 20s, which is actually an increase from where we were today, but it only warms from there. We climb into the 40s, and look at the lows. From 5 below tonight, a low of 33 on Monday. It won't even be freezing. A lot of this snow is going to start to melt. You've got rain on top of it, flooding and all sorts of concerns. Very, very strange pattern to go from as cold as we are to as warm as we'll get, and then you add rain on top of it. So stay with KSL for the latest through the weekend.
Thanks, Kevin.
Thanks.
All right, JJ, more in Lavelle tonight.
Yeah.